Hi guys, welcome to my new video. I have a bird to show you. Look, it's on my neighbor's um roof right now. If I show you it real quick, you'll probably figure out down below what it is. That bird is very big. I don't want it to fly up at me at all. But if you know what that bird is, tell me in strips down below what that bird is, and I'll see if I can get it again tomorrow, if I can. I just had to get it from this video real quick because that bird, I haven't seen that bird in forever. If you can, subscribe to this video and get this 1,000 likes if you can. That bird is big. If you know what this bird is, tell me down below, because that bird is big, and I don't know what bird it is, but if you do, tell me. It's just standing there. Real quick so I can move back. I'm going on my nana's porch. Let's take another moment of silence real quick. Where is it? It flew in that direction somewhere. Get a boy. Or in the pool, I don't know. But if you saw that bird on this video, give it more likes if you know what it is. If you don't, then subscribe to guess what it was. I'll tell you everything then.